right now we can hear the rain, so the road is going to be even more difficult. Hello, and you're watching Trails of Eurasia TV, and here is our third trip to one of the national parks in Azerbaijan with Elvin. The name of the national park for this episode is Hirkan National Park, which is located on the south from Baku, right next to the border of Azerbaijan with Iran. We found an iron tree that only grows in this region in Azerbaijan, and we heard about this place quite a lots of things, so looking forward to see some beautiful places, show it to you, have a tour around the lake next to this place. And the difference is the climate zone. The climate zone here is similar to subtropicals. It's actually subtropicals, where you see this a little bit humidity is more, and the fact of having no more clear blue sky is also something exotic. And on the way to here we experienced some showers. It was pretty heavy showers, and now it seems everything is soft and muddy, but we're well equipped and excited to see Hirkan National Park. Stay tuned, let's go. So right now we can hear the rain, so the road is going to be even more difficult to go through this amazing, beautiful forest. So look at this view. All the trees are completely different than we've seen in Shahdah National Park. Yeah, it seems like it's really heavy rain.
Hello, my name is Balash. We are really enjoy it.
Cool. So Balash is one of the
First time.
hiking member here.
Cool stuff.
And he's in?
Azerbaijan.
Awesome. So
What's the name of this place again?
Hirkan.
Hirkan.
Yeah. Cool. You guys enjoying it?
Pretty much.
Awesome. Little one, you want to say something?
Hey.
So we keep moving. Our guide is promising us to show some more things on the way. Another 2 kilometers left. What's that? Above tree? This one? Trail sign. So there is a sign.
Meaning that you are in the right way.
Okay, so we're in the safe place. No wolves here. Right. Okay, keep moving. Oh yeah, there is another sign.
I want to show you that. Can explain also to
People who are watching, audience.
yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Elvin. It was lake, and then they made it like a reservoir.
Already we crossed.
So we made it, we reached this beautiful view, but then it's not over yet. We're gonna continue and showing some more beautiful places in Hirkan National Park. Stay tuned, see you. We almost lost our guide today, but then we found him. And the reason is, he was looking for some best way to go through this forest. But still, we all feel like we need to keep him, you know, somewhere visible inside this deep forest. Okay, so we're going to another forest.
No, it is the same forest.
Same forest.
All this zone A, we're going to zone B.
It's already C though.
A was doing that.
We've been walking for the last already almost 3 hours, and we passed like 4 kilometers, I guess. Can you check how many kilometers we passed? About 4?
4:45. 4 kilometers.
Okay. So we even can hear some urban sound from the highway. It means we're approaching to the civilization. Is it? It's a bull, right? What do you think?
I think so. Yeah, look at the horns. It is.
Steak.
Don't mess up with them. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. And I'm glad that I did it with you. Because some way
You would be just with
I will be lost. No, I'm planning to definitely come back. Not to here, but to everywhere. I hope you guys can welcome me to another tour.
Yeah, we will figure out something,
Yeah,
together.
it's very nice.
Glad. So as you can see, Venezuelans enjoying being in Baku, Azerbaijan, and in Hirkan National Park, hiking and
Everywhere.
getting lost. Yeah, we almost got lost.
Yeah, we almost got lost. Yeah.
But we found a way. So hope you enjoyed watching Hirkan National Park with Trails of Eurasia TV in our series Explore Azerbaijan, and stay tuned. Make sure you watched all our 3 series which are dedicated to national parks of Azerbaijan. So the first one was Gürda, second one was Gala Jigh, and the third one is Hirkan National Park. Stay safe and see you.